It's a cold day here in South Dakota, but it's still not cold enough to make me stay inside. Today we'll be working on my 1993 Dodge Dakota. I bought this truck for around $500, so I really shouldn't have been expecting that everything would work just fine. The engine in the truck is a 5.2 liter V8 Dodge Magnum. The person I bought it from mainly used it as a mudding truck, so I've just been trying to restore it to its former glory. Today we're going to clean the carburetor. But first we gotta put some gas in. The point to cleaning out the carburetor is to make sure my engine lasts longer. Since my engine is from 1993, I do stuff like this while adding more engine oil additives to make sure my engine is doing just fine. The better my engine runs, the better I feel about driving it. Now my truck's transmission is already broken, so while I make the money and wait to get it repaired, I want to make sure my engine does not suffer. Now that there's some gas in the truck, let's get on to cleaning the carburetor. We're going to start by taking the air filter and the air filter housing off. Now while my friend slowly starts revving up my truck, I'm going to spray carburetor cleaner into the carburetor. After that, we just put everything back on. That's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. See you later.